for apple. B for brinjal. C for capsicum. D for dragon fruit. E for egg. F for fig. G for grapes. H for hazelnut. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for kiwi. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nut. O for onion. P for peas. Q for quince. R for radish. S for spinach. T for tomato. U for unicorn. V for vegetables. W for watermelon. X for zinnia. Y for yuzu. And Z for zucchini. Thanks for watching. और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। मिलते